Welcome to the absolute future of design. Witness the seamless blend of titanium and ceramic, pushing the boundaries with an ultra-thin bezel. Experience the display of tomorrow. Rethink what is possible. Feel the speed. Witness perfect clarity. Apple has completely re-engineered the camera. This array takes photography to a pro level. Notice the detail in extreme low light. This is the ultimate camera. Hot text puns. 6 left dictate. 1 symbol. Explore the future of mobile intelligence. Deeply integrated AI that anticipates your every thought. Creative tools that turn your ideas into reality. Experience the iPhone 18. Start your day with absolute power. Push it to the limit all day long and still have more than enough to keep going. True reliability. Engineered with unyielding strength, thriving in the harshest conditions. This is redefining premium build. Experience the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Sapphire glass. Beyond tough. Precision redefined. Alright guys, this is the brand new iPhone 18 Pro Max. We are going to test this insane zoom. Look at that building all the way on that mountain peak. Let me know in the comments if this is the best camera ever. Experience fluidity like never before. Seamless power at your fingertips. This is the future of mobile interaction. Slimmer than ever before. Feel the precision of titanium, redefining what a premium phone should be. Next-gen camera. Blazing fast speed. Infinite display. All-day battery. Welcome to the future.